These beautiful Christmas gift tags are very easy to make, and I created them mostly using upcycled paper. You can use any flyers or empty boxes you have at home. As long as they are clean, they have good quality prints and come from non-toxic products like foods, drinks, or cosmetics. I'm starting with a flyer that I just got with my shopping. It has this cute area here with yellow flowers, and I'm cutting the flyer for easier access. Then I'm cutting 2 circles using a 2.5 centimeters hole puncher, making sure I include the yellow flowers. Holding the hole puncher upside down will help me center the paper better and see exactly what I'm cutting. Then I am contouring both circles using a permanent marker. For the gift tag base, I'm using a 7 by 9.9 centimeters cardboard that I previously cut from an A4 sheet of cardboard divided in 9 equal parts. I am holding each circle upside down, add a drop of glue in the center, and spread it with a piece of leftover paper. Then I add them to my gift tag. When everything is done, I press the gift tag for 1 minute under a book or a stack of paper or some other flat, heavier object to make sure everything sticks well together. Once it's pressed, draw strings and some simple bows. You can also write a custom message. Cut the top corners or round all corners. And now you have a Christmas decoration gift tag. For this gift tag, I'm opening a cardboard box by cutting it along the bending lines. I want to make 2 gift tag bases from this piece, each 7 by 9.9 centimeters, so I'm measuring 14 by 9.9 centimeters on a piece of cardboard to make both at once. Then I'm cutting the edges. This plain part will be the back of my gift tag. I also have an empty present bag, very simple, and I'm cutting a piece that would cover the cardboard. Apply glue on the printed area of your cardboard and spread it well with a piece of leftover paper. Then add the piece of present bag on top. Press it for 1 minute to make sure everything glues well. Cut the excess paper. Then cut it in half, and now you have 2 custom gift tag bases. I will use the same flyer as before to cut different size snowflakes. I will start by cutting 2.5 centimeter snowflakes from the larger areas, then some 1.8 centimeter snowflakes, and from the remaining paper, some 1 centimeter snowflakes. Same as before, I will hold each snowflake upside down, add a drop of glue in the middle, and spread it with a piece of leftover paper. I'm gluing each snowflake, trying to maintain a size balance. Once all the snowflakes are added, put the tag for 1 minute under a heavy object. After the card is pressed, cut the excess paper. You can cut the top corners or round all corners, and now you have a snowflake gift tag. Similar to this one, I created another card from a cat food flyer. Same method, just a more colorful result. I hope you found inspiration in this video. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe for our latest handmade and homemade news.